The next big Apple event, which is set for September 12th and with the slogan "Wonderless," is already generating curiosity about the upcoming iPhone 15 series this time. Over its predecessor, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is expected to get some significant improvements in both design and construction quality. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is one of the first iPhones to feature a titanium mid-frame, which will help Apple increase its toughness and decrease weight at the same time. While previous rumors suggested that Apple might switch to solid-state volume buttons from normal buttons, a report from Ming Chi Kuo indicated that Apple kept the regular buttons because of unsolved technical concerns. While the iPhone 15 Pro Max maintains its somewhat boxy appearance. The frame will have a curved finish and feature a USB Type-C port, according to a jump by your Rediker. The McRumors claim that Apple will also swap out the mute switch with an action button like to the one on the Apple Watch Ultra. Compared to the standard model, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is equipped with a better USB Type-C port. According to reports, the iPhone 15 Pro Max's new Type-C charging port complies with Thunderbolt 3 and USB 4 standards. Despite the fact that they feature a USB Type-C port, the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus are expected to provide USB 2.0 data transfer speed. According to a recent report from 9to5Max, Apple may replace the gold version of the iPhone 15 Pro Max with a new titanium base gray hue. Similar to its predecessor, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is expected to feature a huge 6.7-inch screen with dynamic island. Apple's cutting-edge A17 Bionic processor will be included in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The SoC will feature a 6-core CPU and 6-core GPU architecture, according to a leak by Unknowns21. This processor will reportedly be produced utilizing TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm technology, which will increase its power efficiency relative to a 16 Bionic. Another league of unknowns. According to 21, the iPhone 15 Pro Max might be the first iPhone to include 8GB of RAM. With the new CPU, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is expected to be 10 to 15% more powerful than its predecessor, and the extra graphics core is anticipated to make the iPhone 15 Pro Max the greatest gaming smartphone. However, it may only be available in the larger storage model. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in a comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.